Hey guys, right, welcome to a different point of view. So we are now approaching the end of the road, and we can't see anything. These walls of these houses are blocking our view. Now we're coming to the end. Notice I stop, and then I'm going to come out after I can see that car on the left hand side. The camera obviously can see more because it's out and high, but as the driver you can't see anything. So I'm going out slowly. I'm not committing too fast, looking all the way up the road as I drive, and then we're going to take a left turn soon. And again, I won't be able to see in the road, so as you're going in, I can't see anything now. The van blocks my view. I'm going in slowly. I tuck it into my side first, then I come out. That's really important. A lot of students, what they do is they come out first, and you cannot do that. So yeah, tuck into your lane, then come out, peek out, see if it's safe, then go. Then there's a roundabout coming up. Looking to my right, I can see it's clear, but look at my speed. I'm going slow. I'm not rushing it. Okay. And then we're going to come to another roundabout very shortly. It's very tight roads here. There's not many meeting scenarios here. It's just like a little intro video into this sort of point of view to see if you guys like it. Okay, then another roundabout here, dealing with that. Cars parked on the left, so I'm going to try and peek around, and then I go out. I don't go out straight away. Okay, there's another roundabout coming up. Okay, same thing, can't see on the right, so I'm going to take my time as I'm coming up. I can see it's clear. Again, parked cars blocking my view. I'm going to come out slowly out like that. Okay, now we're going to come to the end of the road, and we're going to turn left. As you get to the end of the road, if you cannot see left or right from this point, you are looking to stop your car. Okay, giveaway markings, really blind junction, and then now I'm slowly coming out, because as I come I could see. All right, so now we've got the bus lane coming up, and then I know the timings here, so it's 7 to 10, driving along it, and then not using it at the moment due to the timings. So we're going to come to the end of the road, and I want to go left, but there's going to be a bus lane still there, so I'm going to wait to see where the bus lane finishes. You'll see arrows usually, or broken lines sometimes. There we go, and I'm going to check. I'm going to come in, and I am going to take the turn. There we go, and nice and simple. All right, so you've got to make sure that if there is a bus lane there, often I'll tell students, oh, we're going to go left, and then they signal, they start moving into the bus lane, and you can't do that. So now we're going to take another left turn. Again, this is just a short video, so just to help you guys. So we're going to take another left turn, and we are now going to see if we can see into the road. Again, I can't see. This building blocks my view. I'm going to come in slowly. I can start to see, but I'm going to tuck into my lane. Then there's a car, so if I went out a bit wide early, it would have been bad. Okay, and now again, it's a meeting scenario road. I'm looking for places. I'm looking far ahead where I might have to wait, and there's a car far ahead. You can see it. I see a gap on the right, so I'm going to wait opposite it and allow and entice the car to go in, and then I am fine to go. Okay, so have a look at that. We're going to try and run through that video again, and then especially that end bit where the giveaway was really blind, and then I rolled out, so we'll show you that in a second. All right, so now we're going to go through this video again. Okay, so now you guys should know what I'm going to be doing coming up to the end of the road. I cannot see. These parked cars, the red one on the right and the silver one on the left, kind of block my view a bit. The van as well on the right really blocks the view, and so therefore I have stopped completely. One of the other junctions, I did say that you're meant to stop, and then as I approached up, it cleared up for me, and I could see it was clear, so that's why I went. So now we're going to be turning left again. You guys know you can't see on the left, so we're going to come out slowly in our lane only, then go out. You see I'm going in my lane, then diagonally coming out afterwards. Really, really important, so keep that in mind. So again, we're coming to the end. Parked cars are on my left, so I'm in a weird position. I'm going to reposition my car back to my side, check on my right, look ahead as well. So there's a lot to look at. I'm not going fast. I'm talking fast, but I'm not going fast. And then we're going to come to another roundabout. Again, I can't see initially. As I approach, things start to open up. So look, I can roll out. So it all depends on how the scenario pans out. Initially, when I cannot see on approach, I'm looking to stop. And then things obviously sometimes they widen up, you can clearly see. So again, similar scenario, I can see on the right now, okay, and I can see in front of me. So now again, I'm smoothly diagonally coming out, and then we're coming up to the end of the road now, and then as we get to the end of the road, I cannot see anything from here, so I'm thinking about stopping. And as I get to the end, it's quite wide. Look how wide this road is, and for me as the driver, I can see up the road now, hence why I carried on going. Okay, as a learner, probably what I'd probably expect my students to do is initially think about stopping, because it is quite blind, but as an experienced driver, you tend to react quickly and assess the situation a little bit quicker. All right, so bus lanes on your left. All right, we're going to be turning left at the end. You should know what we're doing. We're looking for the point that we can enter in, and we're going to then go in now. Okay, so really important, do not cut across the bus lane if you're not allowed to use it. If you are, obviously, then you should be in the left lane. So you read the timings and get used to that. All right, so keep that in mind. We are now going to be going further ahead, and then we're going to take the left turn. Again, it's blind initially, but as we go in, I go in slowly. I try and tuck my car in, so keep that in mind. Keep that as a guideline, that you want to not hit the curb and not go over the center line. Okay, so initially I'm trying to stay in my lane. I see a car, straight away tuck it in a bit more. Okay, then I come out. Okay, really important. That's probably one of the most important parts of this video. And then have a look ahead. Meeting scenarios all day long here. Look at that car, spotted an opportunity to make them move if possible, and that works better for me, so I don't have to move my car. Then they go in and out, and it worked out perfectly. So hopefully that's helped you guys, and I'll see you on the next video, hopefully roundabouts and stuff like that.